Ever dreamed of being your own boss? Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to decide your own schedule, to work from anywhere in the world, and to pursue your passions without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job, of setting your own hours and watching your ideas come to life. Picture yourself brainstorming innovative concepts, sketching out plans, and then seeing those ideas transform into tangible products or services that people love and use every day. E-commerce makes this dream a reality for millions worldwide. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that connects you with a global audience, breaking down geographical barriers and opening up endless possibilities. It's a global marketplace bustling with opportunity, just waiting for you to jump in. The digital landscape is teeming with potential, offering a platform for anyone with a vision and the drive to succeed. Whether you're an artistic soul, a tech whiz, or a passionate foodie, there's a space for you in the e-commerce